This is 3936 Alabama, number 8. Exterior courtyard. Air conditioning units. Property previously had tile in it, about an inch thick of the adhesive with ceramic tile that they've gone in, torn up. Property is torn up through the kitchen. Holes in the floor, wall, original furnace, holes in the wall or floor. All the flooring's been torn out of the bathroom. There's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. This is the laundry room for his personal property that was left behind. They left a washer and dryer. There's a stove, microwave, dishwasher. Personal property is just the washer, dryer, and TV stand. Other than that, the house is demolished.